Making money with ChatGPT OpenAI is easier than ever. Here are a few ways to get started. 1. Create an online service that utilizes ChatGPT OpenAI. You can offer a subscription-based service to your customers, where they can use ChatGPT OpenAI to create conversations. You can also offer a one-time payment package for customers who want to use the AI for a single project. 2. Offer consulting services. If you're an expert in ChatGPT OpenAI, you can offer your consulting services to businesses that want to create conversations with ChatGPT OpenAI. 3. Become an affiliate. You can become an affiliate for ChatGPT OpenAI and earn money from each sale you generate. 4. Build apps and websites with ChatGPT OpenAI. You can build custom apps or websites that utilize ChatGPT OpenAI. These can range from chatbots to virtual assistants. 5. Develop custom AI solutions. If you're experienced in developing AI solutions, you can also develop custom solutions for companies that want to use ChatGPT OpenAI for their projects. These are just a few of the ways you can make money with ChatGPT OpenAI. If you have an idea for making money with ChatGPT OpenAI, make sure to explore it and see if you can make it a reality.